Hello billionaire traders, welcome again to another wonderful video episode. Now if you are seeing this video, count yourself lucky. Why? Because I want to use this video to prepare you for over 1000 pips possibility in the month of April, right? I'm currently filming this video on the 3rd of April. So if you are seeing this video, please go directly into your chart and look for this opportunity. Make sure you are able to spot them just the way I'm going to be explaining them to you, and mark your chart and set your what, either your buy limit or your sell limit, whatever way. Let's see what the market have for us. All right, now I'm going to be using the both fundamental and technical analysis approach, right, to explain what I saw in the market. You all know that the president of America is Donald Trump, and just this recently, yesterday, Trump released a speech, right? I'm going to go into my forest factory to show you. Yesterday was Wednesday on the April 2nd, right? By 9 p.m. my time, U.S. Donald Trump president speaks, right? Now, what happened? The outcome of this speech, in fact, it was really crazy. And okay, I even sent a follow-up information on my Telegram channel. This is the VIP Telegram channel. I don't joke with my VIP subscribers. Why? Because I make sure they have value on the money that they pay. And look at the information here. Now, 34% was levied on China, 20% on EU, right, which is the European Union. And we also have 26% on India, right, and 24% on Japan, then 32% on Taiwan. Now, what is the effect in the market, right? There's a lot. And I've shared this with my inner circle community, those who are in the academy themselves. But for you, I'll be showing you how you can use the opportunity to make good money in the market. We are retail traders. No matter what's happening in the market, it's going to be to your advantage if you know how to position yourself right? Now, this is the dollar index. Now, you can see the spike. This spike you are seeing here right now was as a result of what Donald Trump released yesterday. You can see the price jumped from here to this place, and ever since then it's been dropping. Now, but there is no issue, right? So as a retail trader, you want to take advantage of this market. How can you see possibilities in this market? Now, I will take you to the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, what's happening? You will notice that the dollar index is looking for a soft landing, right? It's looking for that point where it can really reverse to the upside. Right now, don't be frightened about the sell that is currently happening. It's also for your advantage. You can go ahead right now and start buying GBP USD or Euro USD. What dollar index is trying to do, or what Donald Trump is trying to do, Donald Trump is trying to let the dollar has power, right? You want to strengthen the economy, the currency of America, which is the USD, right? So right now, what is going to happen? The market is currently looking for a position where it can have a possible reversal. Then if you look at this daily time frame, you will see that this is the point that we can mark on our chart on the weekly time frame. Rather, we've been having several levels of what support here. And what happened? The moment price get here, what happened? Price got back to this particular weekly high, right? Now, if price get here, what do you think may happen? Right, this is my anticipation that price is going to come back to this high. Did you see that? So the moment price get here, you're going to be seeing that the dollar index will gain strength. It will gain momentum and start pushing all the way back up, right? Now, if I will draw that for you in context, you will see that the dollar index move up from here, and it's coming back here to form a what? A double what? Bottom, right? Did you see? And what do you do at the double bottom? On the double bottom, you want to buy, right? And this is where you'll be looking for buy and take advantage of that. So if you don't know how to swing trade, this is an opportunity for you. My stop loss will just be beneath this resistance, this support. Then I'll be targeting this high. Trust me, you can hold this particular trade throughout the month of April. And that is what I'll be doing with my students. I've already showed them this opportunity, but I'm just trying to carry you along because you guys are my community members online, because I know that you guys are really getting value whenever I drop video like this. And the only way you can encourage me is to give this video 1,000 likes. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers on this channel. Make sure you like this video so that I'll be encouraged to come up again to share you with more informative education. So let's move ahead. So right now, let's scale down further. If you come to the daily time frame, what do you notice? You notice this drop, right? Now the dollar index keep dropping, no problem. Let it continue coming. So we have a place where we want to spot it. Now if you look here, you will notice that we also have a double bottom here that was formed, I think, in the month of September 2024, right? You can see this is September, Monday 30th, 2024 was the last time price got here, right? The moment price got here during September last year, what happened? It shoot up back again, right? So you want to wait for that opportunity so that when price come back into that spot, what do you want to do? You want to look for opportunity to do what? To long, right? To long. And mind you, when price get here, you'll be noticing a little bit of accumulations, but don't be scared. Just wait for more confirmation to go in. I'll be reserving that comment here for my inner circle member because I'm not supposed to release how we get in on a trade like this here. But right now, you're getting the free opportunity to spot the market for yourself and wait for how you can go in. Mind you, you might know the direction of a trade. That doesn't mean you know how to get in. And that's one of the problems a lot of most forex traders face. They can understand the movement of the market, but their entry criteria is very poor and their exit is also poor. So right now, I'm looking for price to get here to go back up, right? And I'll be holding my position throughout the month of April. Now, there are some levels that I'll be adding more positions. The moment I discover price is scaling over some level, then I'll be adding more position, right? But this will be carried alongside with the Nasaku. That's why I want to make haste. Join us. Let's trade as a professional. Let's make cool money together. So I'm going to be taking you into what I discover on the GBP USD. I don't want it to be so long, so I'll be using the GBP USD chart to tell you and to show you how you can take advantage of that particular currency pair. Now, if you look at GBP USD right now, what do we notice? Good. GBP USD is moving up, right? On the daily time frame. Let's come to weekly. Now, on the weekly, what do I see? Now, I notice that GBP USD have been buying ever since it gave us a double bottom here, right? So, you see, the market will always give you money. The moment you start trading with clarity, trust me, you're going to make the most amount of money in the market. Now, when you saw this double bottom here, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to go in for a buy and anticipate for this high. Did you see that? So if you had gone in here for a buy, do you know how many pips you would have been making right now? From here to here is over 1,214 pips. Very smooth, right? Now, if you miss out on that, no problem. This is another opportunity, right? If price come into this particular high here, trust me, we would have established a double top on the higher time frame, right? And the moment you spot a double top on the higher time frame, trust me, that is money in the bank, right? Now here, price, we look for a way to sell back down here. Why? Because this zone is regarded as a what? Seller zone. This is supply. If you look left, you will see now how this market has been in supply. Now, I expect you to master how to take this opportunity. I don't expect you just go in for a sell the moment price get here, and I don't expect you that. But I need you to wait for confirmations before you actually go in for that sell. Why? Because this is the market where you want to hold for a long time, right? And you won't just open one position and allow the other position to go, right? You're going to be scaling in further, right? There are opportunities here I can see right now that will enable you to scale in further, right? Now, if you measure from here up onto here, it's 1,200 pips. Let's measure it back down like we're coming to sell, like we're selling. That is over 1,231 pips. So you want to wait and see how you get in on this particular trade. You don't have to miss on this trade. I would have still taken you to Euro USD and to see what is happening, but I believe with this particular chart, you can see what I'm seeing, right? So I don't expect you to miss out on this trade. Trust me, if this is the only trade you'll be taking in the month of April, you're going to end this particular month being a profitable forex trader. Mind you, you can be profitable, and consistently profitability is what makes you money always in the market. So this is what I've been waiting for to enter my position here and hold it up to this particular moment. So I encourage you to have a separate account for this type of trading, right? I'm giving you some secrets right now. I'm giving you some secrets now. Let me show you why am I looking for sell. If you look at it right now, price sold all the way from this high to this bottom, right? Did you see that? So right now, price is currently moving back up again, right? Price is currently moving back up. So what do you expect? Now, when price gets to this zone, what would you have seen? You would have seen that we have a clear double top there, right? So as a trader, once you spot these things like this is one and this is top two, right? Once you spot things like this, price is supposed to come back down here for another sell. So trust me, if this can happen, let's say you were informed when this happened, right? Because price was buying from a point here to this particular point, and from here it came back to this zone. Now from this zone is coming back to this zone. And what do you think will happen? If price is coming back to this zone, I expect you to hold it to their life, right? And you don't need to be panicking. This is how you can trade with clarity, trade with purpose, trade with confidence, knowing fully well that your money is working for you, right? Your money is working for you. You don't just want to be in a particular trade and you are just looking at your screen every second, every minute, right? Positions like this, good trade like this will put you at that point where you'll be making money in the market, right? So please wait for this price to get here and look for a better way to enter your trade, right? You may even come down to 1 hour time frame or 4 hours to get in on this particular zone. You can see I already marked this zone as a what? Weekly zone for me. So this is where I'm waiting for price to get here. But before price will get here, let's measure from here to this height. This is over 170 pips. So are you going to fold your hand for 170 pips to just pass you by? So if I can see a possible retracement back here, then I'll be going in for a buy here, where I will go in here right now, target here, knowing fully well that that is not the aim. This is just a short buy, and the ultimate aim is to look for a sell position that I can hold throughout the month of April. So as you continue breaking levels right to the downside, you want to scale in more positions further, right? So with this, imagine risking just let's say you're risking 50 pips here or 60 pips, and you're banking over 1,217 pips. So this is about 1:20 risk to reward. Wow, 20 hours. In fact, if you have a pro firm you are preparing for this trade, you can pass both phase 1 and phase 2 and even get to a funded phase where you can request for a payout. Just one particular pair, right, will make you money. I recently dropped a video on how to trade different pair on a different account, all right, so that you won't blow your account. If you want to see that video, I'll be leaving the link here. Go and see that video. And if you want me to do any other video for you, how you can swing trade properly, let me have it in the comment section. And if you want to join my academy and you want me to mentor you one-on-one to show you how I'm able to spot opportunity like this in the market, you're most welcome. The link to join us is still in this video description below. Just scroll down, you will see the link. Click the link, it will take you into my own WhatsApp, and I'll be there to communicate with you. Mind you, do not click on any other link apart from the one you see on my YouTube channel, right? So thank you. If you find value in this video, give it a like, subscribe to it if you've not already done so, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you.